Hello, and welcome to today's video on epidemiology in disease control. In this video, we will discuss what epidemiology is, its importance in disease control, and how it helps in understanding patterns of diseases and preventing their spread. Firstly, let's understand what epidemiology means. Epidemiology is the study of patterns, causes, and effects of health and disease conditions in specific populations. It involves collecting and analyzing data to understand the distribution and determinants of diseases. By doing this, epidemiologists can identify risk factors, develop preventive measures, and provide evidence-based recommendations to control and manage diseases. Now, let's talk about the importance of epidemiology in disease control. Epidemiology plays a crucial role in public health because it helps in identifying and understanding disease outbreaks. It provides insights into disease transmission by studying factors such as age, gender, location, and behavior. By analyzing this data, epidemiologists can identify high-risk populations and implement targeted interventions to control the spread of diseases. Furthermore, epidemiology helps in developing evidence-based public health policies and strategies. By studying disease patterns, epidemiologists can identify the effectiveness of various interventions and make recommendations to improve public health practices. This includes measures like vaccination campaigns, improved sanitation practices, and education on disease prevention. Another key aspect of epidemiology is surveillance. Through continuous monitoring and tracking of diseases, epidemiologists can detect outbreaks early on and take necessary actions to contain them. This could include rapid response teams, contact tracing, and quarantine measures. By understanding the progression of diseases, they can also predict future outbreaks and prepare accordingly. In conclusion, epidemiology plays a critical role in disease control. It helps in understanding disease patterns, identifying risk factors, developing preventive measures, and monitoring disease progression. By utilizing the data and insights from epidemiology, public health officials can make informed decisions and take prompt actions to control and manage diseases. So, the next time you hear about an outbreak or a public health response, remember the behind-the-scenes work done by epidemiologists to ensure our safety and well-being. Thank you for watching.